Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, we are going to be learning how to fix PayPal error. If you are trying to use your PayPal application but in the process you are encountering errors in it, then here are some general troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve the issue. The first thing to do is to check for your PayPal application update. If you're using outdated application, then you might go through some errors in it, so go ahead and open your app store. In the search box, type in PayPal and search. Once you find the PayPal application, tap on it and then tap on the update button if available. If you don't see the update button, it means that you already have the latest version installed. Once you have the latest version, tap on open to open the new updated PayPal application. And now you can try logging into your account or create a new account if necessary. If the problem still continues and it's still showing errors on PayPal, then the next thing to do is to look for your device's operating system update. If your device's operating system is not updated, you might go through these kind of errors and your application might misbehave. So go ahead and tap open the settings app from your app drawer, and from the settings menu, scroll down and tap General. Under General, tap Software Update. Check for the available update for the app, and if there is one, go ahead and tap on the Update Now button to immediately update to the latest version right away, or if you want to schedule an update, tap on Update Tonight. Once you have the latest software version for your iPhone, then you might be able to fix your issue, so go ahead and tap open PayPal and try getting access to your account and see if that fixes the issue. So those were some of the fixes you could try out if your PayPal application is showing error every time you try to log in or gain access to it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.